Hi, I'm Scott the Miniature Maniac, and he asked that I introduce him this way. I am joined by the powerful, the almighty
John.
And this is Drunk Mini Painting 2. What up, Mini family? If you know the rules to drunk miniature painting, what are you doing with your life? John, please enlighten them.
All right. Drunk mini painting consists of 3 30-minute rounds. In each round, you will have to drink an entire drink. And then after 3 rounds, we'll have a completed mini, hopefully.
Hopefully.
At that point, you, the viewers, will get to decide who is the champion and who is Scott.
You wish!
Hey guys, I'm Derek the bartender, and for round 1, we are making Nuln Oil shots.
If we want to do the shot, that's a big shot.
Okay. Now you think it's big?
I'm just saying for like mouth size.
You have a tiny mouth. All right, with the starting of the timer, that is the beginning of round number 1, which is Nuln Oil. Are you gonna do this whole thing?
Yeah, probably. I don't know yet.
Okay.
Cheers to your loss. That's delicious. You all right?
We gotta go.
Did you start the timer yet?
Yeah, we're 30 seconds in already. I don't know if it's just me, but I am not a fan of Jaeger.
What?
Licorice tastes like anus. John, where's your collapsible cup?
P3? Oh, me. We got a problem.
What happened?
Let's look at my paper towel. It's just a
Shut up! I left it at home because it's the only reason I lost last time.
That's my one ally in this. The ball is not going.
Oh yeah, this is exactly what I needed right now. Dude, every year you throw my paints.
I feel like my cheeks are so warm, these lights are so hot. Are you not warm right now? No. Eric, are you warm?
Look at how red your face is.
This thing, it's freaking vibrating, dude. You see this?
Yeah, it's got built-in shock protection.
I feel like the doinging is going to become very entertaining later on.
The doinging?
The doinging. That is the technical term for what is happening right here. I feel like I'm sweating and I want to take my shirt off for round 2.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god, you're painting the end of this scythe thing. Look at this, John. Look at this.
Wow, I'm so proud of you.
I've never had to paint a moving target before.
God.
Do we say yes to the hairdryers or no to the hairdryers?
I think we said yes within moderation, but now I think no.
Okay, I see what you did there.
I'm working around it. Like, I realize that there's stuff that I have to move on to something else.
You think I'm sitting here doing nothing right now, bud?
Feels like it, bud. Feels like it, bud. Feels a little bit like it.
I am a painting machine right now.
What'd you paint? Like 11 models in 38 hours?
I painted 15 models, so that's my day.
Is it 15? Oh, yeah, well, 10 volts,
10
my
plus,
bad.
10 plus 5 is 15.
Yep.
Can we get a check on that, Derek? Is that true?
Can we check?
Yep.
Can you please check or put your phone in the middle of us so I can check time? I'm trying to strategize myself here. Nope. You're just a shitty person.
So I just painted miniatures for 38 hours straight, and my left hand is kind of numb, and everyone was like, oh, you should take a break and let that heal. And so instead I did this.
I hear what you're saying, but I'm gonna do this.
So the goal for this time is to not throw up, which was not accomplished the last 2 times.
No.
But there is a garbage can right here that you can't see that will be used if necessary, because quite honestly, if I puke again a 3rd time, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna have a life anymore.
Oh, I almost forgot my magic mix.
The secret to winning.
I almost forgot the crystals.
The potion.
Sounded like Skeletor.
That's definitely the sound this guy's making right now, dude. I'm so hot right now, dude.
Is that time up?
Oh yeah, we have to stop painting. Stop painting!
Oh gosh!
All right. Of course, we drank the drink. It was a shot, so we both passed there. No penalties for not drinking. We didn't really explain that at all.
Right.
But let's do a little swap. See where you are. And I'll, Jesus Christ, John. You took contrast to a whole new level. I like the fade from the teal to the saturated blue.
It's a slight trick that you're gonna steal. You have colors. You know, I guess that's the thing. I like the green color. I don't like that his skull is the same color as his fleshy arms.
Wait, those are fleshy arms, not bone?
Yeah, dude. Look at his arms. Do they look like they're bones to you?
No, but who cares? All right, on the count of 3, we're both gonna say who we think's winning right now.
1, 2, 3. Derek.
For round 2, we're gonna do blood for a blood god.
Alright, we are 1 round in. We are about to start round 2, and Derek's just mixed us something very delicious called
Blood for the blood god. Oh man, it smells delicious.
Cheers to your loss.
Oh, that's so good.
Cider.
Okay.
Cider. You done?
Talking to you?
Hard.
Like 15 seconds ago. Are
Right.
you still talking to me? You got wing sauce on your face.
Do I really?
All right.
Are you sure that's not my mahogany color? For the record, I was the one that did all the pre-work, and I built the models, I cleaned the models, and I primed the models. And then I came over here and was a gentleman, and I let Scott pick which one he wanted so he didn't feel at a disadvantage.
And I literally picked a random one, so all of that for naught.
There's no such thing as random. It was one or the other, and you picked one.
What the f did you just say?
I'm a magic man.
Can you sing that for me?
Nope. Oh, do I know the song? Yes, but I'm not going to sing it.
Can you sing it though?
I can sing it.
What if I give you a tune? Do.
That's another one bites the dust. That's not Magic Man.
I'm a magic man.
I don't know what you are singing right now.
Wait, hold on. Is there a song called Magic Man?
He's a magic man.
Got him to sing it.
How was I bested by this mere mortal?
I'm like a wizard.
He cheats.
He cheats.
You cheat, Dr. Jones. You cheat.
Nice. Dr. Jones. Kalima Shatire.
That's what I said. Booty traps. You don't get that. He doesn't get that. He didn't get that.
I didn't get that. Booty traps?
Comment below how big an asshole he doesn't know booty traps. How much time is left?
14 minutes. This is so long.
That's what she said. I like how you've just base coated everything and you're talking
Oh,
shit.
no.
I mean, that's what my eyes see. So
Yo, you're not wearing f***ing glasses right now. What do your eyes see?
don't you worry about those kinds of things. Brush it down.
All right, time for the swapperino.
Swapo suave.
Okay, yeah, you're sussing out this bright ass highlight that you had on. You're going for the bedsheet ghost.
You're going for the turd in a blanket ghost. Oh, I see. You're like, oh, he's made of blood. Look at that. It's bloody down there, guys.
This guy's holding a stick made of mustard.
Yeah, the mustard stick's gotta go. I'm with you on that. I like your just didn't paint it at all stick. This is a thing. This is, you got 30 minutes to save yourself, son.
Save myself. I'm in a winning position right now.
I'm in a winning position? Oh, God. This isn't even close.
For round 3, we are gonna be making the dirty paint water.
All right, round 3, dirty paint water.
It smells like Hershey syrup. Derek, what'd you put in this?
I wonder why. Are you ready to do this thing?
Yeah, I want to get my bangs out for this round.
Oh. Oh no.
Let's do this. My metallics aren't dried, and I'm putting wash on them. Well, too late now.
Got this.
Where's that hairdryer?
Do we say yes to the hair dryers or no to the hair dryers? I think we said yes within moderation, but now I think no.
I feel like if GW allowed reviews on their product, one of the biggest pieces of feedback would be like, this model has a boingy factor of 11.
Yeah, the boingy factor is off the charts.
Are there phrases that you hate?
Hey, mini family.
Ooh. Are you a witch?
Dude, I'm trying to highlight some shit. Get off of my nosh, brah. Your nosh? My wash all mixed together, so we're just gonna use that for my mustard stick. I need this to dry so I can highlight my metal.
Is that really accelerating what's going on right now? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh no! It fell over! Can I use an airbrush?
No, you can't use an airbrush. Unless I get to pull the trigger while you hold the model. Let's try that. I didn't bring a dry brush.
You want one?
Yeah.
No! You're looking... No!
The thing is, I gotta find the...
Get out of my dry brush drawer!
Did I bring a blue? Real tan green? Oh, enough. What'd you do with my dry brush? What'd you do with my dry brush?
No! Derek, save me!
I do want to look at these.
No! Get out of my dry brush! Give me my dry brush, man! Oh, time to get that dry brush that I got out.
You.
How this fucking model moves around so much.
Yeah, you gotta like find a different spot on your hand to like hold it steady on your painting hand.
Are we commiserating right now on each other?
Yeah, I feel like we're like hedging.
You want
No, you! I'm still painting. I'm gonna whoop your ass. Get off of me.
Let's talk like New Zealanders.
Hey, it's intense.
Bait spreads.
Decided to put up a new dick this weekend.
Oh, I got the biggest dick.
Yes.
My dick is the biggest in the neighborhood.
Well, I heard about your dick. So I came over to check out your dick.
Did you stand on my dick?
Yeah, I stand on your dick, and your wife said it's not that good of a dick.
But it's protected and it's new.
It's a new dick, but she apparently appreciates the old dick.
40 seconds. Okay, if I'm being honest right now, big fan of the green shadow. Okay, now you tell me something about mine that you like.
I like, I like the color of the top cowl in comparison to the light green on the face and skin. It makes this skin and face pop.
All right. That's the end of Drunk Mini Painting numero dos. You guys can let us know in a poll in the description who did it better. We'll throw up some pictures right now. If you guys like this, you should check out our podcast. It's called Trapped in the Plastic. We talk about miniature painting topics and talk about oil painting and other painters that we like and just things about miniature painting.
Dude, my armpits stink.
I told you it's hot down here.
I'm sweaty in the armpits. Can we thank Derek for coming?
Big shout out to Derek for making mixed drinks for us so that we didn't throw up this time. Because we were drinking 151 proof golden rum that was masked by a sugary mixer. Mm-hmm. Well, we don't know if we haven't thrown up yet. The night is still young. Subscribe or die! And most importantly, don't forget to...
Magic mix.
Mustard stick.